everybody! So today's video is the Jeffree Star Halloween unboxing. We're outside, the house is a mess, we're a mess. But that's what you're gonna get on my channel. It's going to be raw and real, and this is me. So I could have done my makeup, I could have done my hair, but I've been waiting for this box. And we decided to record together because Michael also loves Jeffree Star. And he's super excited about this box. So this is the box. I think this is the Supreme box. I don't think it's the middle box. So this retails for $75. There's 8 items in here, and I paid, I think, roughly like $84 or something with shipping and whatnot. So if you take the 75, divide it out, it's like 9 something per item, which is extremely cheap, because I don't think anything at Jeffree Star Cosmetics is $9 and some change.
No,
so
even the beauty blenders go above 10.
Yeah. So I'm excited. I have no idea what's in here. It's a mystery box. Let's open it.
You got it unclasped.
I got it unclasped, but huh, I'm excited. Okay. I'm gonna do it away from me. The blade. Oh my goodness.
We don't need anybody else in this family stabbing themselves.
No, we don't. Oh, and I'm also gonna have, this is unedited. I'm not editing it. It's an unboxing. I've got a lot going on. So, don't mind my hair. Been doing dishes in the shirt all day. Okay, okay. Are you excited? I don't want to look, I'm scared.
It's a box!
So I'm going to see it, nobody else can see it. I'll pull the items out. You can't look. You got it. Black tissue paper. First item. Liquid Frost! Oh, I don't even want to see. So on his stuff, I'll show you when I'm done. It kind of gives away the color. We don't want to give it away. Shut up. This color's called Heat Wave. This is a highlighter. So, just so you guys know, I have no idea what's in this box. And that's what you get. You don't know if there'll be colors that you like, things that work for you. Wow. This is a cool, bronzy... Oh my goodness. You see that? That is pretty.
That is pretty.
What do you think? This won't work on my skin tone, but with these Liquid Frost, like, you could put these on your lids. You can do lots of stuff with that.
You do FX with that too?
Yeah, wow. The lighting out here is not good because we are outside. Oh my goodness. And this will last me forever. Wow. That's what I really like about these boxes too, is that sometimes you get stuff that you would never buy for yourself, but it's fun to play with. I don't know, maybe I'm just weird like that. Okay, next item. Okay, this is a clothing item. Shut up! Ah! Oh, this is so cool! Oh my god! It's a Can't Relate shirt with a little skeleton hand, and it's Halloween!
Oh, that's awesome.
Ah! I smelled it. I don't know why I smelled it. Ah! Oh my gosh. That's not yours. Okay. Oh, I got something else in here. Nuh-uh. If I... It's a Skin Frost. This is another highlighter. This Skin Frost, I think, retail for $29. They're huge. Look at that compared to my head. I don't know what color this is. What is that?
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, I'm so...
Oh, that's
what?
Cool.
Ew, that is creepy. Okay, so if... I guess you could dab it over here. There's so many different colors in here. And then get the white. Oh, that's just fun to play with. And then you can get this black, so it's gray, kinda. Look at all those different colors. These swatches are terrible. They're all on my fingers. Ew, that is so cool. It's a good ew. I should have taken a picture of it before I smeared it with my fingers. That is cool. The shade is Mystery Frost. Look, it's got a little ghosty guy on it. Oh, that's cute. I mean, this tissue paper is like my napkin. What do you think about the Mystery Frost?
I like it. It's cool.
Okay. I don't want to look at the color. We've got a bullet lipstick. The chartreuse color. What? It's blue. What is the color? Jawbreaker! I'm gonna put it on, look crazy. No, it's like
You see?
iridescent.
Oh, that's dope.
Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, it smells. What's it smell like?
Cotton candy.
Kinda. It reminds me of the fair. Look how pretty that is. These are terrible. I can do swatches afterwards. But it comes out. Look, it's on my lips. That is cool. You want some? Wow, and that smells so good. Okay. Oh, here's another. Okay, this is a liquid lip. Velour liquid lip.
I like his liquid lips. So good.
Yeah, they're really good. They're my favorite. I'm covering up the shade name. I've gotten like good at not seeing what the shade name is because it kind of. Stop it! Don't look. You can, okay, you can peek. You can peek. You get to look at it. Am I gonna like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it. It's gonna be good for me.
What's this shade called?
Bronze blue.
Bronze blood. Oh my goodness gracious. That is a good color. Look at that. That is a beautiful top coat. All of his liquid lips are vegan and they're eye safe. So that's when you see like these crazy looks and stuff on Instagram. That is a rose gold.
Wow, that is rose gold.
That is beautiful.
Almost exactly rose gold.
That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. So yeah, you can put these on your lids. He puts some eyeliner. Like that's why he makes all these crazy colors because there's endless things that you can do with them. Okay, I have no idea how many more items we have. This feels like another. I don't know what this is. Oh, the gloss. I have one gloss. Make sure. Oh, he's about to come out here.
He can't get the door. He was trying for like 5 minutes.
Oh, this is a cool color. He got it. Hey, go back inside, buddy. Ooh, this is Dirty Royalty. This is a fun color. It's like a purpley. Ooh, I've got some purple lipstick. That. Smell it. I love the gloss too. It's.
Blueberries.
Is it? No, it's not the vanilla-y.
Is it?
And this is an opaque gloss. It's not glittery or anything. But I like this gloss because it's not sticky and it lasts. I have one in, it's a nude shade and I wear it all the time. This is cute. There's something else in here. There's two things in here. Okay, I know what this is because Laura got her box and I did not think I was gonna get the mini breaker. I'm so glad I didn't buy this. Because I was gonna buy, I still don't have the Jawbreaker palette and the mini breaker because I missed out on it and I was kind of bummed, but look at it. Oh my goodness. So he has some provocative names. Double Scoop, Orange Crush, Foreplay, Oral, Purple Punch, Slice, Bubblegum, Bite Me, and Hot Fudge. Oop. Beautiful. What do you think?
I like it.
Excited? Swatch them. Oh, I have a feeling, I think I know what this last one is. Ooh.
Hot
is pretty. Here, I'm gonna swatch on Michael's hand, and then we'll. Shut up. Okay, so show right there. These are boom, boom, and boom. And then we're gonna do going up again. Wow.
That's so pretty.
You're on camera, Derek.
I know, you missed me like 10 minutes. I was in the window showing my nipples off.
Yes.
I'm not editing this, so.
It's live.
Look. Those are the other shades, and then the last three here we'll do on the inside of your hand or something.
No, fascinating.
Wow, these. Oh my goodness. Oh, shut up.
Oh, that one's cool.
Those are those ones.
Those are good.
We're not professionals
So
here.
Gamecocks scored a touchdown.
Yes.
We're trying.
And then Florida, they kicked it off. Florida ran one run play for 75 yards.
Oh.
Okay, last item. Last item of the box. This is my friend Trey.
Do you know what this is?
I know what it is. Do you know what it
I
is?
don't know what it is.
Whoa, Michael, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, I know what this is. He doesn't. And he's gonna be. Close your eyes. Stop cheating. Stop it, Clip. Put the shirt over your face. Stop it. Close your eyes.
What?
I'm watching you.
I can't see.
I'm looking at the camera, so if you... Oh my goodness, I need the knife. Stop it, or you're peeking. You might be more excited about this than I am, and I am so excited. Okay. Keep,
Okay.
No, keep them closed. Stop it. I see, Michael. For reals.
Not looking at
For
that.
reals.
Not looking.
I want you to be excited. Why me? Okay. Open up. Open up. Open your eyes. Hi, how are you? Look, it's the star mirror.
You know you're not getting this right.
Oh, and it's Halloween-y. I should have wore a Halloween outfit. I wasn't thinking.
Oh, that's so cool.
Hi, how are you? So overall, I got a star mirror, and all of these things retail. Oh my goodness! I think the star mirror is like $25. Jawbreaker palette. I wish you had your phone out. Is at least 30, 20, maybe 30, 20, 20, 30. Wow. And I got all those for like roughly a little over $9. That is insane overall. Oh my god, these are all my goodies. Oh, and the shirt. We can't forget the shirt. I think the shirt's like
Priceless.
$25.
Priceless.
Halloween edition. Overall, this was a huge win. Absolutely. We've got some fun colors, like the shimmery blue.
Mini breaker.
The mini breaker is a bunch of fun colors. The purple gloss. This skin frost is so crazy. I'm so excited to play with this.
I'm excited
Yeah.
about that bullet.
So, if you get the chance, if Jeffree Star ever announces that he's doing another mystery box, grab one. There's a smaller size if you're a little scared, some of the products you never used before, and it might be a little intimidating because there's some color. Just go for it though. They're so much fun and they're so worth it. But I like your opener for the bullet one again. That one's cool.
No, nothing.
I can't edit this or not. Oh, you got it. No. You got it. You can't just smush the cap on it.
I didn't.
No.
I got it.
Okay. Oh. Day one of the lipstick.
I'm useless. It's okay.
Wipe away my tears.
See?
It's okay. All right. Well, that is everything. We're going to get back to Saturday fun day, cleaning everything. Thank you for watching, and Hope you guys have a great day and enjoy. Let me know what you want to see from my channel. Bye.
Bye.